Ever have this happen to you? When the wind gust comes in, blows your awning up, and sometimes it blows your awning down. You don't have to worry about that anymore. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 K&N motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video.
What you doing now, Karen?
Well, we are in Quartzsite, Arizona, and we are at the Big Tent RV show. And today we found a product that we're very excited about, and it is called Save Awn.
All right.
So we think this is a great product. We want you to check it out. So I want to introduce you to Justin and Chandra.
Hi.
And they are the owners and manufacturers of this new product.
Yes.
And we're really excited about it. And we got the win today.
We do.
And your awnings aren't moving at all. So,
No.
hey, tell us about Save Awn.
Well, one of the great things about Save Awn is you only need a ladder for your initial 5 to 10 minute installation, and then your feet can stay firmly on the ground. Save Awn comes with all stainless steel hardware and a stainless steel bracket that you are going to attach directly to your RV awning arm. It's going to live there permanently. You're never going to have to take it down. So when you get to your campsite, you're going to take out your poles. 4.5 feet for great storage, but they will go all the way up to 12 feet for those difficult awnings. When you get to your campsite, you're simply going to take your tie-down bracket and you're going to put it on your pole. You're going to attach your tie-down. You're going to raise your poles and screw them into your female adapter. Once you get that in place, you're going to take your tent stake. You're going to go ahead and attach your tie-down to it, and you're going to ratchet it tight. If those winds do reach up to 25 miles an hour and you've got to get that awning in quickly, you're going to walk up to your tent stake and you're going to simply release your tie-down. Remove it from your tent stake, walk right up to your unit, push your poles up, and put your awning in just that quickly. No need to unscrew it or take it down, it'll move right with your awning. When those winds do die down under 25 miles an hour, you're going to go ahead and put your awning back out, put your poles down and put a little bit of tension in your pole. Go ahead and put your tie down back on your tent stake. These are rated up to 25 miles an hour. The other great feature about Save Awn is we have light adapter brackets that come in every kit. Those lights that we love to see but we hate to hang because they're a pain. You're going to go ahead and put your light adapter bracket on before you raise your pole. You're going to lay your lights out in a straight line on the ground with a piece of paracord on each end. You're going to put that paracord right through that carabiner. Then when you raise your poles and screw them into your female adapter, you're going to simply pull on both sides of that paracord, and those lights are going to go from laying on the ground to hung beautifully in just a matter of seconds, no ladder needed. As I said, Save Awn is rated to 25 mile an hour microbursts and wind gusts. It's based off this great A-frame design right here. These poles are going to keep those downdrafts from pushing your awning down, and these tie-downs are going to keep that microbursts from picking your awning up and putting it over the back of your rig. This great A-frame technology right here is what gives it its stability. They retail online for $199, but here at the show they're $175, and you can get them through Watts on Wheels for $175 as well.
Just go to www.saveawn.com and then use the coupon code WOW, W-O-W, and you'll get $25 off until August 31st, 2022. What you doing now, Dave?
I'm installing our Save Awn, otherwise known as awning supports for wind. And let's see all we got here. 2 ratchets and a rope, 2 ropes, 1 pole, 1 stake, another pole, another stake. The hardware kit, along with instructions. Got nuts, 2 brackets. These are the things the poles screw up into.
There's your parts list.
Yep.
Instructions for use, installation instructions, how you can hang lights on it. We're also going to use masking tape, tape measure, and a Sharpie. And what drill did you need?
5/16. I figure about right there.
Is that the right direction? It is.
Yeah. We will do a hole there, and a hole there, and then we'll measure it for reference for the next one. To stop the drill bit from walking as you're drilling the hole, we'll take a small drill bit and we'll drill a pilot hole. Yeah, right there. Now we go back to the big drill bit. And when you do that, you find that your big drill bit goes through a lot easier. We gotta take the peel coat off. These appear to be stainless steel, so they don't rust, which is nice. And then we'll measure those holes. It looks like about 2 1/4 to 3. Ooh la la. You get 2 bolts and 2 nuts. We want to use the short ones. There's 2 different sizes. You want to use the shorter ones to go in here like that. And then you put that up through the arm and put the nut on the back of it. The long ones will go through the bracket that holds this part right here. See, that goes in there like that.
Okay.
And then that pole screws up into there. Make sure we put that nut on there right. Put this nut on over here.
Already got wind started.
When you drill these holes, make sure there's wires. If you have a power awning, there's wires back in here, so make sure you don't grab a hold of those with the drill bit. Put my wrench on one side. What was it? Oh, that.
Uh-huh.
And I'm gonna hit this one. There we go. This one, you don't want to really tighten it up. That's good right there. So you put your tie-down bracket on the top. Big hole goes over that, and the little bent part goes down. You take your hook on your rope and put it through the hoop. And you screw this up in there. So it's tight. And you set your pole where you want it. How you want. Just like right there, you lock your pole. You take your stake. And you pound that into the ground. Go like that. And you take your ratchet strap. Tug it up snug, and that's it. The pole keeps the awning from going down like that when it's windy, and the strap keeps it from going up. So you can have your awnings out on a windy day with a little peace of mind.
Up to 25 miles per hour.
Up to 25 miles an hour. And for the rest of them, rinse and repeat. In case the wind gets to 25 miles an hour and there's gusts, these things are extremely easy to take down and stow. I'll show you right now. First of all, I have this cord tied up here so it's out of the way, but all I do is slide that down a little bit. There's a little lever on the back side. Then it push. That allows the cord to come loose. Hang down here, come on over here. Same thing. that's it. Now after the wind's done and you want to set your awning back out, because your poles are already set for the height that you need. Come out, grab your hold of your rope. You're done. And you can tell how well they hold the flag in the background, how windy it is. And those things aren't even budging. When your awning's up and the poles are hanging alongside, you can extend those poles all the way to the ground so they don't rattle around in the wind. But I like to keep them right where they're at, so when I put the awning back out, my poles are already preset. Just an option. Speaking of options, they also have a little bracket to go in between the two poles where you can hang your lights. Everybody loves the lights, but nobody wants to hang them. So it makes it real easy to do that. Check out their website at saveawn.com.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.